Hi guys, it's me T here for KB Inside. And for today's video, I will be showing you how I do my fresh and chic makeup featuring the 3CE Take a Layer Multipot. So at times when I wanted to go out or maybe meet my friends or just to go out on a date, I usually go for this kind of look. It's actually very natural and youthful. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I already did the base of my makeup. I put foundation and eyebrows already, and now it's time to head over with my eyes. So I'm gonna use this 3CE's most talked about product, which is the Take a Layer Multipot in the shade Cabbage Rose, which is nice and unique name for a shade, right? While putting on my eye makeup, I'm not really sure how to describe this color, but in person it looks like more a reddish pink to me, and I love how it's quite pigmented even though I just transferred a little to my fingers. You can definitely build it up if you want to look more vibrant on your eyes, just like I'm doing right now. And I love using my fingers when blending it all, just because if I use a brush on it, it actually shears out of the color of the product. Next, I will be applying it on my cheeks. And I love the smell of this one. The scent of this one reminds me of the sugar candies that I indulged during my childhood days. So yeah, just blend it well all over my cheekbones and it's done. Last but definitely not the least, it's gonna be on my lips. So let's take a portion of this one and see what it looks and feels on my lips. The best way for me to describe its formula is that it's matte but it's creamy in a way. Creamy because it doesn't seem like a powder blush in the pan, and matte for its light texture that settles down into the skin with a slight powdery finish. Overall, I recommend this product to you guys. It's very easy to use and handy at the same time. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next one. Bye!